How to log in to TransferWise. So if you want to log into your TransferWise account, then first of all you need to install the application. So to install, you need to open up your Play Store and simply search for Wise. And after searching, here you will have the application. Simply tap on Open. And now you can tap on Get Started and go for Login, which is here on the left side. And now to log into your account, you can log in with your Google or your Facebook or your Apple, which is on the bottom of your screen, or you can also enter your email address. So simply enter your email address on the first blank and then enter your password on the next blank. And after entering your password, simply tap on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your account on your TransferWise. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.